Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making this juicy grilled or air fried chicken thighs inspired by Up Close with Abna. Stay with me. I have here some ginger, garlic, onions, and pepper. I'm going to blend this and then we are going to use it to start preparing our marinade for our chicken, okay? To the blended ingredients, I'm going to add some suya spice, powdered pepper, local mixed spices, some seasoning cube and salt, and a splash of oil. I'm going to mix this very well till every ingredient is mixed properly, and then I'll use it to coat my chicken very well. So my chicken has been cleaned and scored. So like I've used a knife to create incisions so the spices or the marinade penetrates into the chicken thighs very well. So I have just two pieces of my chicken thighs. I'm going to massage my mixture or blended, I don't know what to call it, marinade, right, into the chicken. If using a glove rocks your boat, please do so. I do not use gloves in my kitchen, in my house. Okay, so that's why I'm using my clean hands to do this. But in the meantime, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and join this amazing blooming family. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. Once I'm done with the massage, I'm going to cover the chicken and leave in the fridge overnight. You can do this for 2 hours and the marinade will be fine in the chicken, okay? So after the rest hour or rest period, I'm going to go ahead and air fry my chicken thighs. So you can use an oven for this, but if you don't have an oven or an air fryer or halogen oven, whatever it is, feel free to pan fry this, okay? As you can see, I'm glazing my chicken with something. So this is just suya spice and some oil. That's it. So this, as you can see, is going to be grilled suya chicken, okay? Or air fried suya chicken. So fortunately, my air fryer has a cook button for chicken. It does it at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Every air fryer is different, so please do as you please. So I left the chicken in the air fryer for about 20 minutes and then I went in to flip the other sides and then glazed once again with my suya oil mixture. If you've watched the video till this point, I'm going to assume you are liking what you're watching. So please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share the video once you're done watching. And like I said in the beginning, this video or recipe is inspired by Up Close with Abana. I'll leave the link to the original recipe in my description box. Do follow her also and check her out. She churns out amazing content. And just like that, juicy grilled or air fried suya chicken thighs is ready. And you can pair this with anything of your choice or devour it just as it is. Thank you for joining me. And until I see you in another recipe, please don't forget to keep blooming.